So we learn about Carrot 2 search engine, um, and I'll type the words lateral violence. Um, and this, if I'm when I'm searching, you can see that the results are right now in a list format.
Hmm.
So we can have these results in a on top when we're using visual
Oh,
search engines, because you
yeah.
told me that you like visual.
Yes, I like
On the
that.
top, if I clicked this tree map and it gave me, um, like lateral violence, so many different aspects: workplace bullying, victimization, domestic violence. Um, you know,
Yeah.
so um, look at so many different um, relationships. Think of research like relationships. When
Hmm.
you have a research article you found, go to the authors at the bottom, because they are your friends. They used something, some resource. In first year classes, I do this backward design where I look at in-text citation, and then we go and search about that author, and then we look at full reference. Now this,
Okay.
see, look at the so many topics to use for your research when you are searching, because you want about lateral violence, but what does it mean? If you search about workplace bullying, uh, if you search about other topics which are listed over here. Now
Hmm.
this visualization is a tree map, uh, and we can click. If I click on workplace bullying on this tree map, I'm focusing on all these articles about workplace bullying, workplace incivility, lateral violence, bullying, choosing lateral kindness in confronting workplace bullying, disruptive force of lateral
Hmm.
violence in healthcare settings, um, unbroken, like broken lateral violence. So to me, this looks like right now it's um, the in health sector, which has come out. And same
Yeah.
string which I showed you, you can type more details over here to focus on your topic. Um, and
Okay.
let's look at this one article, because it can also be for social workers, band members, band officers. When I clicked on workplace bullying, it led me to this article over here, and then
Yeah.
insight over here. Do you see the connections?
Okay.
So this is the
Yeah.
article. It's another scholarly article. It's so easy for you to find this article. Now let me just show you, go back to this carrot screen and show it to you in a pie chart. So this data, what I showed you in the format of a tree, you
Mm-hmm.
can see it in a different different look over here.
Hmm.
So if you
Yeah.
want to have your research, so this can be, I like this because these can be your sub themes about
Yeah.
your literature review. If you're working on a group project, your
Hmm.
big your title is lateral violence, but sub theme, someone can find articles on workplace bullying, colleague, so you have to plan your research when you're working in a group. Someone can
Yeah.
find about victimization. So I clicked over here on victimization, and I'm finding over here articles about effects of domestic violence against women on mental health of women and children. I am aware, like in shelters, um, women bring the children too. So
Hmm.
shelters, children. So like the violence, like children are being exposed to
Yeah.
trauma. So they become
Hmm.
triggers because they're seeing it. Same thing which I showed for you for workplace bullying. The text is next to it, and I'm just clicking on this article to demonstrate to you. See, this one is from different. We can specify the language or use this Google Translate on top in English. So you
Okay.
can see on top the tool that I think it's good. People are publishing in their mother tongue, different languages, and you can publish an article in standard Roman orthography in Cree and in Cree
Yeah.
syllabics.
Yeah.
scholarly content, but
Mm-hmm.
it is do not get disturbed if another language shows, because on top, you'll get a Google Translate feature. Um,
Okay.
so here you can see that it's a different journal or where it is published. You can have it in the portable document format, the PDF. You have the full text of the article, and here are the different sources which were used. And as I said, these sources are very important. It's called the snowball technique. If you find one research article, then go in the um, references or sources over here, and you will find the connections.
Okay.
Uh,
Yeah.
you'll find um, research which is related to your topic, because they're like your friends. It's
Mm-hmm.
like a flock of birds together. And really, research is very social. So, what questions do you have about this carrot 2, which I showed you right now?
So the website is just
Carrot 2.
search dot carrot or just carrot
Uh,
two.
uh, it's carrot2.org.
Okay. All right. Cool. Now you're like giving me a refresher on how to look for articles and stuff, and now I know because it's been so long for me, and like I was overwhelmed with everything, and you helped me a lot, so thank you. Now I could search. And this will even help me with my other classes too, come fall and winter. Yeah.
Hi, hi, hi.